These Islands. Hey guys, please don't go, really, this is my best song, honest. Really. For real, Kai. I always said all that, my best song stuff. I wrote this one about 14 years ago, and I think most of you know it. And I'm honored that you've taken this to your heart. My mom was dying at the time. She was only 60, 64, 63. And I said a little prayer to my kupuna. I've never done this before. I said, God, do you mind if I pray to my kupuna? And I said, what could I do, or what could I leave you? And something hit me like a ton of bricks, and it said, you're every reason why we were here in the first place. And it hit me like a ton of bricks, man. And the words came through me like water. It's the fastest song I ever wrote. It's called These Islands.
Yeah.
Have you seen these islands? Have you seen the beauties? Come over here. Do you know it's people? Where the sisters walk? Have you seen the ocean? Miles and miles of crystal deep blue sea. More effects, please. Can you smell the flowers? Fill the air with fragrances for free. This is love. This is love. And this is love, this land of Hawaii. Have you felt the power? This goes out to my brother. Mountain crystal light. My brother Koku passed away. Orbit screams so deep from each island blossoms everywhere. Have you felt its spirit? Ancient gods, their monastery. You love these islands. It's nice to see you. Nothing in the world can compare. Everybody sing, this is aloha. This is aloha. This is aloha. And this is aloha. This land of Hawaii. Give her a nice round of applause. Come on, let's go! Woo! Have you felt the power? Put your hands up at John Cope, everybody. Mountain creeks, flowing here. Orbit screams sweet beauty from each island blossoms everywhere. Have you felt its spirit? Ancient gods, they must have here. Colored rainbows stretch across the sky. Waterfalls so high, mountains make you cry. You love these islands. Nothing in the world can compare. If you this land of Hawaii. Have you seen these islands?